Okay, Matt's going out on a job today, and when he picked up his paperwork, this is a job we've been out on before. It's got a note on here. It says 1 hook replacement in the master closet. So let me walk you through what went on this today. Matt went and got Phil. He went and looked up. They went and looked up on the computer in Phil's office what was going on. They weren't sure whether the hook was broken or the hook got pulled out of the cleat. So we went ahead and we reran another cleat, edge banded on 4 sides, had Daniel run that, and went and did all of that. And then we also grabbed and went and looked up what hook it was and got that. So you get what I'm saying here? We had a whole bunch of people involved in doing something that we don't even know what we're doing. Let me show you what proper communication would look like and would save a whole bunch of people time. It would be clear and we know what to do. So for example, customer broke the hook, needs new black standard hook. That tells us what hook it is and what happened. Or another one, you know, hook pulled out of the cleat in the master bedrooms, needs a new cleat, and we need the hook, and it's a black standard one. And if we were doing a really great job, we would pull that out and put it in the accessory box for this job and put a note on here, the hook is pulled and in the accessory bin, so that we know exactly what's there. The installer can grab this and go, oh, okay, that's what I'm doing. We literally had 3 people involved in this morning, and probably about a total of 20 or 30 minutes of work. Huge amount of over processing when all we need to do is communicate just a little bit better of what we needed to do. Okay, while we were standing here making this video, Phil walks up and he's got 2 chrome hooks for us. So we looked up some stuff on the contract. Once again, we got 3 people here going through this. Realized that we installed this job 5 years ago. They're probably chrome hooks. We have no idea what we're doing and what we're going. We're going all the way to West Sacramento for this, trying to take care of stuff. Easy solution on that is just have the customer email us a picture. We can put that in Job Nimbus with a note to say, see it in Job Nimbus, or we can just print out a picture of that and put it with the project so that we know what we're doing and we don't spend all this time in the morning talking to people that don't know what, other people that don't know what we're doing, trying to figure out what we're gonna do. Thank you.